Hi everybody. Today we will talk about StepBet, and as always I will give you precise information based on my own experience. Sign-up process is straightforward. Probably only one thing to mention is that you have to allow access to StepBet to one of your fitness app. In my case it was Google Fit. Then, based on your previous activities, StepBet algorithm will define your weekly goals in terms of the amount of steps you should make. Please go through rules of challenges, because if you miss something you will be disqualified and consequently not paid. StepBet has member and non-member games. If you would like to make the maximum return on your investment, membership definitely makes sense. StepBet is also offering a free membership trial, which means that you can participate in the membership game without paying membership fees, so you can try it first, and if you see that this is for you, consider membership afterwards. This is exactly how I did. Also bear in mind that you have to make a bet like $10 or $20 or $40 on the fact that you will achieve your weekly goals in terms of steps. Also the first week is a warm-up week to get you familiar with the app, and even if you are missing your goals this week you will not be disqualified. But please check this warm-up week existence for your specific game before starting it. Some of games do not have it. Another tip I can share is to always check if your steps are correctly synchronized. Sometimes Google Fit and StepBet will not show the same amount of steps. So check it regularly during your day that it is correctly shown. It is crucial, and I was disqualified for one of the games exactly because of this mistake, so please pay attention to it. StepBet is a great motivator when you would like to exercise more and need some push to do so. As people do not like losing their hard-earned money, they will do more than usual to pass the challenge and win the game. However, remember that if your solely reason to sign up for StepBet is to make money, you need to carefully observe your increasing weekly goals. Meaning that over time, goals will be more and more challenging, and finally it will be harder and harder for you to meet those goals. So if you want just to make money and not to challenge yourself in terms of exercise, then do just what is needed. Meaning if you have a 10,000 steps goal, do not make 20,000, because if you do so, next time your goal will be 30,000 or something crazy like this. Also if you have 2 free days, take them. By doing so, your average activities will not grow exponentially and you will be able to continue to earn money with StepBet the longest possible. Even so, you are betting on yourself. Do not forget that there is risk involved to lose your money, as I did once. Money which you are getting as gain are basically coming from other StepBet members who lost their money, so be very cautious on your capabilities to maintain Step's weekly goals on a consistent basis. All shown in this video print screens and recorded mobile phone screens are only my personal results. Those results are not typical, implied, or guaranteed. The purpose of those print screens is to give you a better idea about StepBet. So, once we did all this, let's see what kind of return on investment we are talking about here. I invested $10 to test, then once I have seen that this is possible I put another $10 and $40 and again $40, which makes a total of $100. I also did pay 2 months of membership in order to have access to all games, and I was disqualified for one of the games, which in other words means I lost the initial investment of $10. Taking into account all this, I ended up with $119.68 precisely, which represent $19.68 of net profit. I was able to cash out all those money without any problems to my PayPal account in seconds. Hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. And if you do, then consider subscribing to my channel, smash the like button, hit the notification bell, comment and share it. Also, if you want to download notes from this video, go to moneymakingchallenge.com and grab your free PDF report. See you in the next video.